Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, we're going to learn real-life English conversations at the airport. Imagine this. You're standing at a busy international airport. Today is the day of your dream trip. But suddenly, the immigration officer starts speaking English. The airline staff asks you a question. People around you are speaking English with confidence. And then, your mind goes completely blank. You know some English words, but at that moment, you can't say even a single sentence. In this video, you'll learn the exact English sentences you need at the airport. By the end of this lesson, you'll feel more confident speaking English in real airport situations. So, let's get started. Hello. Hello. How are you? I am fine. Thank you. What about you? I am fine too. Good morning. Where are you going? I am going to Dubai. That sounds great. Thank you. Is this your first flight? Yes, it is. Are you nervous? A little bit. Don't worry. Everything will be fine. May I see your passport? Sure. Here it is. Thank you. You're welcome. May I see your ticket? Of course. Here it is. Thank you very much. Do you have any luggage? Yes, I do. How many bags do you have? I have 2 bags. Where is your flight? My flight is to London. When does it leave? At 8 p.m. Excuse me. Can you help me? Yes, of course. Where is gate 5? Go straight. Then turn left. Thank you. Excuse me. Where is the restroom? It is near the gate. Thank you. You're welcome. Can you speak slowly? Sure. No problem. Thank you. I don't understand. Let me repeat. Thank you. Now I understand. Where are you from? I am from Italy. Really? Yes. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. Are you traveling alone? Yes, I am. Do you travel often? Not very often. How long is your flight? About 6 hours. That's a long flight. Yes, it is. What time is boarding? Boarding starts at 7 p.m. Thank you. You're welcome. If you're enjoying this lesson, and learning something new, take a second to like this video, and subscribe to the channel. It really helps us create more useful English lessons for you. Now let's continue. Is this seat free? Yes, it is. May I sit here? Of course. How was your day? It was good. Are you excited about your trip? Yes, very excited. Where are you staying? I am staying at a hotel. How long will you stay? For 1 week. Do you need help? Yes, please. What do you need? I need some information. Can I ask a question? Sure. What time is the flight? It is at 9 p.m. Is the flight on time? Yes, it is. That's great. Thank you. May I check my flight status? Yes, of course. Thank you. Can I charge my phone here? Yes, you can. Thank you. No problem. Do you have your boarding pass? Yes, I do. Can I see it? Sure. Good evening. Good evening. Are you ready to board? Yes, I am. Please wait here. Okay. Thank you. You're welcome. May I enter now? Yes, you may. Thank you. Have a nice flight. Welcome aboard. Thank you. What is your seat number? My seat number is 14A. This way, please. Thank you. You're welcome. Would you like some water? Yes, please. Here you are. Thank you. Would you like tea or coffee? Tea, please. Here you go. Thank you. Are you comfortable? Yes, I am. That's good. Do you need anything? No, thank you. I am fine. How is your flight? It is very good. I am enjoying it. That's nice. Can I have some water? Certainly. Here you are. Thank you. Can I open the window? Yes, you can. Thank you. Look at the clouds. They are beautiful. Yes, they are. How much time is left? About 2 hours. Thank you. We are landing soon. Okay. Thank you for the information. Welcome to Dubai. Thank you. Have a wonderful stay. Thank you very much. Great job. You have just learned some of the most useful English conversations for airports and flights. Practice these sentences daily, speak them aloud, and use them with confidence. If you found this lesson helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below with the country you would love to visit. We'll see you in the next English lesson.